How to sign up and create an account on DeepSeek. Everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, make sure you have an updated version of the DeepSeek application on your device over here. So as you can see, there's no option of update. So we're going to tap on open and it will land us to the user interface or the home page. Here, I'm going to tap on sign in with Google because that is what is more convenient for me. Or you can just tap on the sign up option. So as you tap on sign up, you just have to enter your email address, your password, confirm the password, and enter the code that it sends you. But since it's easy for me to sign in with Google, I'm going to tap on sign in with Google, tap on agree. And as I do that, I'm going to select on the profile that I want to associate with DeepSeek. So then tap on agree and share. And as I do that, there you go. You have created an account on DeepSeek. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.